Hello everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to use Nano Banana AI for free. First, you'll have to go and open the Google AI Studio and go and select the first option. And now once you are on this page, just accept the permissions, then click on I accept. And now you can simply click on try Nano Banana. Here as you can see, simply click on it. And now you are on Nano Banana model. So now let's say that I will generate an image. Now I will type, I need an image of a cat eating dry food, for example. Then I'm going to click on the run button. Then here you have it. You have the image, as you can see. You can download it, or you can simply also upload a photo and add a prompt to it. So here I will upload a photo. You can upload it from your drive or your PC, or you can simply take a photo if you need. And I forgot to tell you that you should be signing in into your account in order to use the Google AI Studio. So now I have uploaded this photo, and now I will ask it to make the cat as the same color of the cat on the top. Then I'm gonna hit the run, and here you have the results. It didn't took so much time, in fact. And that is it. This is how you can actually use Nano Banana AI for free. And that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. And support us with like, subscribe, and share.